No, you saw ugly when you went to the, in the school. They said lockdown, lockdown, lockdown.
Dang. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Tania, let's go.
Let's go.
Say it.
All right. Hey boy.
No, hey man. No, say man. And then say it.
Where's she at though?
Man. Yeah, say it.
Man, you so gay that I put you on a rainbow. The rainbow said no, it's too much.
Wrecked. Your turn.
Of a color too. A color. What?
Just how I got rectified this video.
No, it's not even over yet. Are you gonna say
Are you
anything?
going to go? He just got wrecked.
Do you quit?
In 5, 4, 3,
No.
2.
No, 10.
No, you're so stupid. When there was a zombie eclipse, the zombie went right past you.
All right, Tania, your turn.
Are you guys running?
No, pause it real quick. I need to tell you.
No, I'm gonna tell a song. All right, I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Sing
tell
the
you.
song. Sing the song.
I know you guys just run for Tania.
Okay, let's go. Just whisper.
All right, go. It's your turn. Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, Tania, it's your turn.
Oh. Hey man, I saw this boy on the street. He looked just like you, right? Just like you. He was singing a song. Singing a song with a little guitar. And people, they were white dressed. And then he's like, I'm a whole man of the game. And he took this man, and he started humping it. You're really a lesbian. You are man, he looked just like you.
No.
Whoa, this is going bad.
This is going way too much confusing, like you said. We just said a rap battle.
Yeah, we just said a rap battle.
we just said a-
Josiah, go. Your turn.
Again?
Yeah, because, well, I mean, you have to finish him off sooner or later. He has to go first. What are you doing?
Me? I'm thinking.
What doings?
Somebody
What are you doing?
looks just like you. They're on the street. Like she.
Is he literally going to do what she just said, but change it?
No. Oh my god. I'm gonna say the first three. I'm gonna say like the first things it said. Look, somebody looks just like you, okay? Like when you're playing the violin, and then when you.
Man, what are you doing to my chair?
A violin. You're playing the violin, and everybody started passing by. You said, "Why are you passing by me?" And everybody in the world just came in front of you. It's sung this. You ugly. You your daddy's son. First of all, I'm not a
Son.
son. I mean, your mama's daughter. But you just reversed it, so you can't do that, boy. So, yeah. So what? You didn't roast anyone with that bad hair.
If anything, you roasted yourself.
Roasted. You just got roasted like cookies.
Okay, pause it real quick.
It's not a lie.
Oh, right now they talking about hairlines. Oh, they talking about hairlines. She said he ain't got no hairline. He ain't got no hairline. Whoa, he ain't got no hairline. He ain't got no hairline.
Boy, okay, go. I'm ready.
You better hurry up.
Alright. Boy, when I roasted you just a few moments ago, I felt so good because you got roasted like cookies.
I did not say that, but okay. Okay, just go on. I was trying to help you out, but no.
Oh, he's falling and he can't get up.
Call 911, please.
You can't get up just like roasted cookies. It's like roasted cookies.
With your triangle hairline.
I mean, no
Everybody
cookies.
take a few steps back. Back.
No, we can't. No, stop. Oh,
Man,
dang.
look at that Falcon. Beast.
Dang, look how much is going down. I think it's because it's looking at that dude.
Oh.
Bro.
If you don't get out my face, I'm gonna play you that bubblegum. Dude, you're so ugly. You're uglier than Freddy Krueger.
Freddy Krueger said. Man, Freddy Krueger said, watch that. Shoot.
All right, your turn, Tanya.
Tanya, it's Tania. Alright.
Why do you care? You're in the middle of a battle. You cannot fix anything that the commentators say.
Except for that hairline.
Boy, I went to the haircut before. I saw a man just like you. Just like you.
Oh my God!
He was cutting there too. He was cutting there. He went right down the bald's head, man. You are bald. I'm not bald. And
Are you
in
blind?
the chair, just like you. Just like you. He went all the way down, and his hairline was just like that. It was just like this, and it looked just like you right now, except